10 incredible backpackers' destinations of India. Once in a while, we all have this urge to just pack the bag and let ourselves loose from all the strings of responsibilities and go to some place which rejuvenates us, refill us with the lost energy and zeal. More often than not, the idea is to shed all the load from our mind and just float freely in the midst of nature, or maybe a secluded old town, someplace ideal for soul searching. So guys, let me present the list of 10 destinations in India which are ideal for a backpacking trip. In this video, we will be covering 5 destinations and the remaining 5 in the next video. Ladakh. Ladakh, the cold desert, is right at the crown of India. The locales are so heavenly and surreal, you are bound to fall in love with. In many ways, Ladakh is unlike any other place in India. The flora and fauna, the lakes, the hill monasteries, magic mountains befitting for the dwelling of the divine, all these combined together makes this destination ideal for a soul-searching trip. Whether you prefer a car, or you are a biker, or even a hitchhiker, there is no way this place may not leave you spellbound. So just pack your backpack and go solo. You are guaranteed to cherish the memories for a lifetime, and chances are pretty bright you will be compelled to plan a visit soon afterwards. Things not to be missed: riding bike on the pristine yet demanding roads, Ladakhi cuisines, zooming across the various passes, especially the road to Khardungla Top, the highest motorable road in the world. Monasteries, especially visit Shey and Dikshe. Villages and amazing people of Ladakh, shopping in Leh Market, and last but not the least, camping at Pangong Lake. Jaisalmer, Rajasthan. The city of Jaisalmer is nothing short of a big oasis in the desert of Thar. With its rustic locale, the city can offer you a lot to roam around for. The Jaisalmer Fort is standing tall on a hilltop overlooking the city and the Thar Desert. A section of the fort has been converted to a hotel. And needless to say, your stay will be a royal one in princely rooms with a unique experience of Rajasthani cuisines and hospitality. The Havelis of the city are something to look out for as well. Carved intricately in yellow sandstones, these Havelis are live testimonials of the affluence of the merchants of that era. The desert safari in Thar on the camelback is going to be an unforgettable one. This destination has been a location of numerous national and international films. Things not to be missed: the fort, the Raj Mahal Palace, former residence of the Maharaval of Jaisalmer, Jain temples. Inside Jaisalmer Fort, there are 7 Jain temples. The Lakshminath Temple, dedicated to Lakshmi Narayan, numerous merchant Havelis, Vyas Haveli, Srinath Palace, and many more. Sikkim. The majestic state of Sikkim cradles in the Himalayan range. The soothing climate of the place, splendid sights in every direction the eye can roam, stunning flora, shrines oozing spirituality and amazing people, all of it surrounded by the majestic snow-covered Himalayas. All the ingredients to make Sikkim a promised land for seekers of peace and tranquility. Having said that, there is no dearth of activities for the seekers of adrenaline rush. If you belong to the later type, you can go for paragliding, river rafting, cable car rides, and last but not the least, trekking in the daunting yet charming tracks. Things not to miss: a drive to the Nathula Pass and visiting Baba Harbhajan Singh Temple, a soldier who guards the border even after death. Monasteries, yak riding, bungee jumping, hang gliding, lakes, and relish on the local delicacies of Sikkim. Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. Kanyakumari, the small yet enduring city, is situated at the southern tip on the map of India. It's the only place in the Indian subcontinent where you can see 3 oceans: Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, and the Bay of Bengal confluence. And the only place in India where sun rises as well as sets in ocean. Rock Temple is the place to watch out for gaining spiritual momentum. Swami Vivekanand did the same quite successfully years ago. The place has a vital role in our mythology as well. At this very place, goddess Kanyakumari, yes, the name is derived from her, offered penance to Lord Shiva to get him as her husband. Since then, devotees with a wish to have a child come to offer prayers and take a holy dip in the salt water. Things not to miss: Rock Temple, Kanyakumari Temple, Saint Thiruvalluvar statue, holy dip in the Triveni Sangam, and the splendid sunrise and sunset. Goa. Goa has been on the forefront of the places of choice for people looking forward to some real fun and frolic. For any beach lover, Goa has really a lot to offer. Such alluring are the locales of Goa that it attracts not just Indian but a score of foreign tourists every year. With just lying on the sandy beaches to engaging in a more adrenaline-pumping activity like scuba diving, you have a hell lot of options to choose from. If you want to test your luck quotient or maybe roller skills, the Floating Casino Royale is a place to go for you. Well, Goa has a definite Portuguese influence, so to get the first-hand experience of the same, what's better than hiring a bike or a bicycle and taking a leisurely trip to Old Goa and have a closer look at Basilica of Bom Jesus, Aguda Fort and many more monuments. Hitchhiking in the calm locales is also a viable option. Things not to miss: scuba diving at Grand Island, forts, Reis Magos Fort, Chapora Fort, Kojium Fort and quite a few more. Dudhsagar Falls, beaches with Baga, Candolim, Butterfly and Anjuna. Floating Casino, Casino Royale. So friends, this brings us to the end of this video. Please continue watching our channel Explore the Wanderlust for the next 5 destinations in our list of 10 incredible backpackers destinations of India. Thank you.